For 3 years, I thought it was my ex who couldn't let me go. I was wrong. It was his mother. And she still opens my Instagram every single night. We dated for 4 years. When it ended quietly. No screaming, no big fight. He moved on fast. He's married now. But his mom, Margaret, she was different. For 4 years, she treated me like the daughter she never had. Sunday dinners, her handwriting on every birthday card. She taught me how to make her bread from scratch. And when we broke up, she disappeared from my life too. I told myself that was just how these things go. Then, last month, a blank account kept showing up as my top profile visitor. No photo, no name, never a like, never a single word. I almost scrolled right past it. Then I opened a tool that shows who actually views your profile the most. The silent ones, not the likes. It traced straight back to her. The visits landed every Sunday, right at 6, the exact time we used to sit at her table. She opened every story I posted within seconds, and the spikes matched everything. My birthday, the day I first met her son, and the night I got engaged to someone new. That night, she opened my profile 40 times before sunrise. Here's the part that still gets me. Her son moved on years ago. He's happy. He has a wife. Margaret has never once opened that woman's profile. She opens mine every single night. She wasn't watching me. She was grieving me. To her, I was the daughter she lost the day we broke up. And every night at 6, she still sets a place for me at her table, behind a screen, with no name. If someone keeps showing up in silence, someone you're sure walked out for good, you deserve to know who's really there. The tool that finally showed me her is linked below. Go see who's been quietly watching you.